Thanks for joining us again. I'm Warren Patton, president of Byerly RV, and we are standing here again with Jeff Vandervliet from Alliance at Open House 2025, and we are with a new product. It is the Delta Solo, the RB152, and Jeff, this is a under 4,000 pound Alliance Delta that we're standing next to, something that it has a map pricing that I think is almost affordable for everybody else here. Tell me a little bit about the Solo.
Well, it's so feature rich because it's built the exact same way as our regular ultralight. And in the Delta, we don't compromise any of our structure in order to find weight savings. We're building that product to last because you want to make sure you're getting the best mileage out of your hard-earned money. And the different features that we have with a 15-inch wheel, overslung on the axles, the fact that you have a 13.5 AC use. This is a Murphy bed inside, but it still has a full pass-through storage. This is not normal, okay? And all of our Alliance features where you can operate the awning while you're standing outside, all those little things like that. But once you get inside, you'll see how feature-rich it is as well. You still have a ladder, the best ladder in the industry. It's aluminum.
Yeah.
It's powder-coated. It's 18 inches wide, so you can hang towels. You have 3 temperature-controlled spray ports.
Yeah.
All those little things that just all add up.
Well, let's go take a look at it, because you're right. The thing about Alliance and the value that you get with Delta is really, it's building that value of the quality of Alliance. And here we're standing in a single axle, an affordable trailer that can be towed, an under 4,000 pound trailer, and we're not sacrificing any of the features. You can see them everywhere, all the call outs, the soft close hinges.
Past, your storage underneath the sink for a trash can, a legless dinette table so you can put it down for sleeping, a porcelain toilet, a big square shower, and the bathroom has a window in it.
Well, you're looking at the size of the bathroom in a single axle, and again, you're looking at the drop, the sink, the stove. You're not cutting out any of the features that you would normally have in here. You still have a television. You got the Murphy bed. I mean, it's hard to compete with the features that you're putting in this entry-level product. Really kind of the first, what I would call entry-level product from Alliance. What
we found is a lot of customers want to be part of the Alliance family, and we spell family F-A-M capital A-L-L-Y. They want to be part of that family, but if we don't have a product that they can tow, it shuts them out. We don't want that to happen. So a lot of customers will come in and they may not be able to go buy a new tow vehicle because they bought a new RV. Still the economic aspect of it too, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
So we try to put all the rich features in. Storage up here above the Murphy bed. No one does that. But also with struts, you can actually remove the shelf and hang clothes or fold clothes at your choice. Little things that just mean a lot for a customer. And so you even have solar on the roof too. And it's pre-wired for up to a 3,000 watt inverter. So all the little things that add up for the customer to have the best RV ownership experience, and that's really what we're after. And partnering, we're a private company, Byerly, private company, pretty good partnership to be able to do that and bring a great product at a great price and a great relationship you're selling to the retail customer. That's really what matters, we feel, too, as well. So.
I agree, and that's something Byerly always looks for with our partners that we have. We look for manufacturers who really want to bring the best value to the customer for the price, and we really kind of see that here, not just with all the Alliance products, but you're looking at this Delta Solo, so feature-rich, ready at a very aggressive price to start out. So, again, take a look at it, see it online, byerlyrv.com, or come out and see us in Eureka. And thanks again, Jeff, for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah.